here at PTPGun, and today I'm going to show you the disassembly and the reassembly of this Taurus TH9. Before you disassemble any firearm, you want to make sure that the firearm is unloaded. So we're going to go ahead and drop the magazine, get that out of the way. We're going to go ahead and pull the slide back, and we're going to lock it to the rear using the slide catch. Lock it to the rear, double check, chamber's empty, magazine well's empty. We are now good to go ahead and proceed with the disassembly of this firearm. Here, we're going to go ahead and send the slide forward. And this is going to take apart very similar, if you're familiar with the Glocks or the Smith & Wesson SDVEs and whatnot. This is going to take apart very similar. So much like that, we're going to go ahead and pull the trigger. We're going to take the nose of the gun, put it in the table, and lean it forward. We're going to press down. And while we have it pressed down, we're going to grab this takedown lever, which is the same on both sides. It's the same piece. You see it from this side as well as this side. We're going to go ahead, press down, lean forward, press down, grab from both sides. I'm going to use my pointer finger on this side as well as my middle finger on my thumb on the other side. I'm going to press forward towards the bottom of the gun, and holding that, I'm going to go ahead and lift up on the frame. And the slide comes right on off. So we have the frame. We have the spring and spring guide, we have the barrel, and the slide. Slide, barrel, spring and spring guide, as well as the frame. From here, you can go ahead and clean and maintain your firearm however you might need. And then we're going to go ahead, when we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and reassemble. To reassemble, we're going to place the slide back on the table, upside down. We're going to drop the barrel in. We have the barrel, the spring and spring guide. We're going to turn that back upside down, and we're going to match up these grooves that are cut out in the back of the slide with the rails on top of the frame. We're going to match those up. Once we have them matched up, we're going to keep them matched up, and we're going to pull it all the way to the rear and let go. All right. From there, I'm going to do a little bit of a function check. I'm going to pull the trigger. Slide back a few times, pull the trigger. I'm going to go ahead and reintroduce the magazine. Pull that slide back with the empty magazine. The slide will lock back on this, and that is the disassembly and reassembly of the Taurus TH9. For more videos on how to take apart your various handguns, rifles, or shotguns, be sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook, as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you all again. Stay safe, and remember to train to survive.